Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to solve 8 and 9 problems in exercise 4.1. See, 8.1, the area of rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is reduced by 2 units. Next, if we increase the length by 10 units and decrease breadth by 5 units, the area will increase by 50 square units. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. So here they are asking to find out length and breadth. No? So let's take length as x, breadth as y. So students, you know what is the formula of area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Here length is x and breadth is y. So area is x into y, that is xy. Now see here, area of rectangle gets reduced by 80. So this area is reduced by 80. When if its length is reduced by 5, length means we took as x. So reduced means 5 and breadth is increased by 2. Breadth means y plus 2. So this is one equation. Okay. And similarly, coming to the second equation, if we increase length by 10, what is length students? X. So length increased means plus and decrease the breadth by 5 units. So breadth y decrease by 5 units, then area will increases by 50. What is area? Xy. So xy plus 50. So this is second equation. Okay. Now we have to solve and represent in the graph these equations. So I just wrote, let length of rectangle x meters and breadth of rectangle y meters. Area of rectangle, this is the formula L into B. So that implies area x into y is xy. Here units only, na, meters not they give. So x units, y units, xy square units. Now since here the statements are very big to write. Area of rectangle gets reduced by 80 if its length reduced by 5 units and breadth increased by 2 units. So this is very long to write, right? So simply we'll write according to problem. According to the problem. So what is the first equation? This only, na? Here, see again I will read. Length is reduced by 5. So length x reduced means minus and breadth is increased by 2. Breadth means y, increased means plus. Then what's happening to the area? Area is reduced by 80. So area already xy, reduced means minus. Okay. Are you understanding? So now just multiply this. First with the x, these two terms, x into y, xy plus x into 2, 2x minus 5 into y, 5y minus into plus minus 5 to the 10 is equal to xy minus 80. Now bring all the variables to one side and all the numbers to one side. Otherwise, you can just cancel xy and xy. Okay. See now, xy plus 2x minus 5y. If you bring this xy term, this is minus xy. Okay. Now, we have here minus 80 and this minus 10 will becomes plus 10. So now plus xy minus xy get cancelled. Cancel means xy minus xy will become 0. Okay. So Finally, 2x minus 5y is equals to minus 80 plus 70, minus 70. So, this is the equation. Okay. So, this is equation 1. So, actually, we want to calculate y term now. So, for that, 2x, if you bring this 70, it will be plus 70. If you bring this minus 5y to RHS, it is plus 5y. Then y is equal to 2x plus 70 by 5. This is y. Okay. Now, in the second statement, what they are telling, if we increase the length by 10, again, according to the problem, we can write. According to the problem, we can write. Or otherwise, simply according to the problem. If we increase length by 10, what is length? X. Length by 10 and decrease breadth by 5. So breadth y decreases by 5. Then what's happening to the area? Area will increase by 50. Xy plus 50. Okay. Same. Just multiply. X into y xy. X. So minus 5 into x minus 5x. Next. Plus 10 into y 10y. Plus into minus minus. 10 5s are 50 is equal to xy plus 50. So bring all the numbers to one side and all the variables to one side, numbers to this side. So that implies xy minus 5x plus 10y. This is plus, so if it comes it is minus. So this is 50. Here minus now, so if we transpose it is plus 50. So plus xy minus xy get cancelled. So minus 5x plus 10y is equals to 100 is the second equation. Okay. See, now we want to calculate y for calculating points now. So 100, if we transpose minus 5 to this side, it is plus 5x. Then y is equal to 100 plus 5x by 10. Okay. So you can just simplify 5 with 5 20s, 5 1s and 5 2s. So 20 plus x by 2. Okay. With 5 we cancelled. 5 20s, 5 1s, 5 2s. So here y is equal to 20 plus x by 2. No problem if you take 100 plus 5x by 10 also. Okay. So coming to here there is no scope for the calculation. 2 is there now. So that's why we took as it is. But here cancellation is possible. So I cancelled. No problem. If you took the same thing. First we'll see how to solve by using elimination method. So in solving by elimination method, so these two steps are not necessary. Okay. This is enough. And here also this is not necessary. Up to here it's fine. So see, what is first equation? 2x minus 5y is equals to minus 70. Coming to the second equation, minus 5x plus 10y is equal to 100. So here we have to make equal either x terms or y terms to eliminate one. Okay. So here 5 is there now. So if we multiply with 2, we'll get 10. So this is first equation and this is second equation. So 1 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. So minus 140. Second equation same. Minus 5x plus 10y is equal to 100. Okay. Now we are solving this. On solving, actually we have to write. So on solving 1 and 2. Okay, minus 5x plus 4x minus x minus one term and plus same term will get cancelled is equal to minus 40. So minus minus get cancelled. X is equal to 40. Now from first equation we have 2x minus 5y is equal to minus 70. So 2 x value 40 minus 5y is equal to minus 70. 2 40s are 80. And this minus if we transpose it is plus 70. This minus if we transpose it is plus 5y. Then y is equal to 80 plus 70, 150 by 5. So 30. So here y is equal to 30. So what is x? X is the length of rectangle 40 units and y breadth of rectangle 30 units. If you get round figures, that means 0 in units place, then you can cancel with 5, right? So for that I am taking x as 10, 0 or 5, whatever it is. We can divide with 5. 2 into 10 plus 70 by 5. 2 tens are 20 plus 70 by 5. 20 plus 70, 90 by 5. So 18 5s are 90. So y 18. So 10 comma 18. Now I am taking as 15. So 2 into 15 plus 70 by 5. 15 2s are 30 plus 70 by 5. So 100 by 5. So 5 ones, 5 20s. So 15 comma 20. Now we'll take x as 30. So 2 into 30 plus 70 by 5. So 60 plus 70 by 5. So it is 130 by 5. So 130 means 5. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 5 6 are 30. So 30 comma 26. So finally if we take x as 50, 2 into 50 plus 70 by 5. So 100 plus 70 by 5. That is 170 by 5. So 5 3s are 15 and 2 is there now, 5 4s are 20. So 34. So 50 comma 34. Now similarly here 2 is there now. So we should get even numbers. So if x is 10, y is equal to 20 plus 10 by 2. So 30 by 2, 15. So 10 comma 15. Now if x is 20, 20 plus 20 by 2. So 40 by 2, 20. So 20 comma 20. If x is 30, 20 plus 30 by 2. So 50 by 2, 25. 30 comma 25. So finally again here also we will take 50. So 20 plus 50 by 2. It is 70 by 2. Half in 70. So మీ cancellation ఇలా కష్టంగా ఎప్పుడైనా అనిపించినప్పుడు just convert into money. 70 రూపీస్లో half 35. So 50 comma 35. Now we have to represent these points on the graph. So here 10, 15, 30, 50 x values and y values also. Oh, it is 18, 20, 26, 34 like that, no? So I took 10 units as a gap. Okay. So the horizontal line x-axis, vertical line y-axis. Intersection of x and y as origin 0, 0. Since మనం negative numbers తీసుకోలేదు, so that's why negative side x, negative side y కూడా రాయలేదు. So scale on x-axis 1 centimeter equals to 10 units. Similarly, the same on y-axis. Now, so points x 10, y 18. So it is 10. 18 means 2 lines below the 20. Each line carries 1. So this is 10 comma 18. Next, x 15, y 20. 15 means it is between 10 and 20. Fifth line 15, x 20. 15 comma 20. Now 30. X 30, y 26. So sixth line after 20. So 30 comma 26. Next 50. X 50, y 34. This is 34 means 4 lines. So 50 comma 34. Now join these 4 points by a line. Okay. So like this. So this is the first equation graph. So what is the first equation here? First equation 2x minus 5y is equal to minus 70. So write 2x minus 5y is equal to minus 70. Now for the second one, x 10, y 15. Here x. And this is 15. So 10 comma 15. X 20, y also 20. This is 20 and here 20. So 20 comma 20. Now x 30, y 25. So 25 means fifth line, this one. So 30 comma 25. సో పాయింట్స్ అన్నీ క్లోజ్డ్గా వచ్చేసాయి. స్కేల్ 10 కాకుండా 5 తీసుకొని ఉంటే ఇట్ మే లుక్స్ నీట్. ఓకే, 50 comma 35. సో హియర్ 50 and 35 means this just above one line. 50 comma 35. Now join these 4 points. So carefully just join. So this is the second equation graph. So what is the second equation here? Second equation minus 5x plus 10y is equal to 100. So now from the intersecting point, actually the intersecting point is here, the 2 lines intersected. So draw a normal or perpendicular onto x-axis, and from the same point draw a perpendicular to y-axis also. So x value 40, y value 30. Actually in the problem, what is x? X is length of the rectangle, y breadth of the rectangle. So finally length of rectangle x 40, breadth of the rectangle y is equal to 30 units. The last problem, 9th one in this exercise. In 10th class, if 3 students sit on each bench, 1 student will be left. ఒక్క బెంచ్లో 3 స్టూడెంట్స్ కూర్చొని ఉంటే ఒక స్టూడెంట్ మిగిలిపోతున్నారు. ఇఫ్ 4 స్టూడెంట్స్ సిట్ ఆన్ ఈచ్ బెంచ్, సో అలా కాదు, 4 స్టూడెంట్స్ కూర్చుంటే దెన్ 1 బెంచ్ విల్ బి లెఫ్ట్, ఒక బెంచ్ మిగిలిపోతుంది. నౌ ఫైండ్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బెంచెస్ ఇన్ దట్ క్లాస్. సో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ x, Number of benches y. Okay. Now 3 students sit on each bench. Bench means y na. So 3 students. So one bench lo 3 students కూర్చుంటున్నారు. So then one student will be left. So ఒక్క స్టూడెంట్ మిగిలిపోతున్నారు. X minus 1. So this is one equation. Now see, if 4 students sit on each bench, one bench will be left. Bench left అవుతుంది. Y minus 1. Bench left ఒకటి మిగిలిపోతుంది. When 4 students sit, so 4 into y minus 1 is equal to x. So this is the second equation. I think you understand this concept, students. Okay, now we will see the steps. So let number of students is equal to x, let number of benches is equal to y. So if 3 students sit on bench, okay, I'll tell you an example. 2 benches ఉన్నాయి. Okay, so bench లో ఒక్క bench కి 2 members కూర్చుంటున్నారు. Then number of students ఎంతమంది అవుతారు? 2 into 2 only na? Benches 2. Okay, 3 benches ఉన్నాయి. 2 students. So 2 into 3 only na? So then number of students 6. So the same here also we are using. 3 students sit on bench. Bench 3 into y is equal to students equal of y. So here one student will be left. So x minus 1. So 3y is equal to x minus 1. So this is our first equation. Okay. So then y is equal to x minus 1 by 3. Now in the second statement. So if 4 students sit on each bench, one bench will be left. ఒక bench మిగిలిపోయింది. Y minus 1. And how many students are sitting on each bench? 4 students. That is equal to number of students only, na? So 4y minus 4 is equal to x. So 4y is equal to x plus 4. Then y is equal to x plus 4 by 4. So this is second equation. First, we'll solve by using elimination method. So elimination method, first equation 3y is equal to x minus 1. So if we bring all the variables to one side and all the numbers to one side, so it is just ఇవి రెండు interchange అయిపోతాయి. X minus 3y is equal to 1. So now it is our first equation. So here second one, 4y is equal to x plus 4. So just interchange these. Then x minus 4y is equal to minus 4. This is our second equation. Now on solving 1 and 2, x minus 3y is equal to 1. X minus 4y is equal to minus 4. So here both x terms are equal. So just change the sign. That means 1 minus 2 we are doing. So minus into minus plus na. So minus plus. So plus minus x cancel. Plus 4y minus 3y equals to y. 4 plus 1, 5. So y equals to 5. From 1 we have x minus 3y is equal to 1. So x minus 3y means 5. 3 5s are 15 equals to 1. X is equal to 1 plus 15. That is 16. So what is the x value? 16. Y value 5. So x means number of students 16. Y number of benches 5. Now we will see the solution by graphical method also. So here in the denominator 3 is there. So 3 multiples వచ్చేలా చూడాలి. Okay. So if we take first x as 1, 1 minus 1 by 3. So that is 0 by 3. So if 0 is there in the numerator, the whole fraction value will be 0. So it is 1 comma 0. Now 4. 4 minus 1 by 3. 3 by 3. 1. So 4 comma 1. Now 7. 7 minus 1 by 3. So it is 6 by 3. 3 ones, 3 twos. So it is 7 comma 2. Now we will take 16. 16 minus 1 by 3. So it is 15 by 3. 3 ones, 3 fives. So 5. 16 comma 5. Okay. So here in the second one, in the denominator 4 is there. So 4 multiples ochela chudali. So if x is 4, 4 plus 4 by 4, that is 8 by 4, 2. So x value 4, y value 2. Now if it is 8, 8 plus 4 by 4, 12 by 4. So it is 3, 8 comma 3. Similarly, you can take 12. Okay, 16. 16 plus 4 by 4, 20 by 4. So 5. 16 comma 5. Next, we will take 20. 20 plus 4 by 4. 24 by 4. 4 6 are 24. So it is 20 comma 6. So take the graph paper. So negative numbers leave kabatti negative side we are not taking, negative side of x-axis and y-axis. So write horizontal line as x-axis, vertical line as y-axis, intersection as origin 0 comma 0. So based on the values here 1, 4, 7, 16, 4, 8, 16, 20. So I wrote with 2 difference, okay, on the x-axis. So scale on the x-axis 1 centimeter equals to 2 units. And coming to the y values 11, 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, 6 like that only. Na? So I took 1 gap only. Okay. Now, so what is the first point for first line? 1 comma 0. So 1 on x-axis means it is the fifth line in between 0 and 2. So 1 comma 0. 4 comma 11. So it is 4 and 11 here. 4 comma 11. Now 7 comma 2. Sorry, this is 1 only. Sorry, not this one. 4 comma 1 here. So 4 comma 1. It's not 11 actually 1. Okay, 7 comma 2. 7 means it is a fifth line in between 6 and 8. So here 7 and for 7 it is 2. So 7 comma 2. Now 16 comma 5. So 16 here and for 16 5. So 16 comma 5. Now join all this by a scale. So this is the graph of first line. So what is the first line? 3y is equal to x minus 1. Now second line graph. So first point 4 comma 2. So here 4 and this is 2. So 4 comma 2. Now 8 comma 3. Here 8 and 3. 8 comma 3. Now 16 comma 5. Same. So 16 comma 5. Now 20 comma 6. X value 20 and y value 6. So 20 comma 6. Now join all these points with the scale. Okay. So this is the graph of second equation. So what is the equation here? Second one, 4y is equal to x plus 4. So now from the intersecting point of these two lines, this is the intersecting point. Draw a perpendicular onto the x-axis. Similarly, onto y-axis. So x is 16, y 5. So I wrote number of students on x-axis, number of benches on y-axis. So finally number of students 16, number of benches 5. Actually here intersecting point 16 comma 5. So this is the solution of ninth problem. So for all the remaining problems in this exercise, please see the description. You can find out all the problems in this exercise. So students, please like this video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.